Henry, I look up for wings and see a man draped in a rainbow chute spiraling down thermals. Henry, when I heard the barred owl on that North Fork ridge, I felt whole again. Now I hear the droll hum of the highway's auditory effluent, low machine whir, a chickadee flitting in between the heavy beaking of Eurasian sparrows. Henry, I hear the eastern blue jay out here in the west. Henry, I saw the dipper dip deeper than ever and spill into tainted ether. Henry, you said nothing could defile this pond. You said so many things. Henry, I know you saw God out there. Nature bloomed in your hand. When you reached through yourself to shake hands with heaven, cast in a green pond's eye. Henry, did you lie to me? Henry, Strixvaria, 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 Strixvaria and the spruces, the great fluviatile gather. Henry, I sit in the backyard to notice. Ponds are hard to come by these days, and study the new larch's needle count. Only new growth from the season now spins gold. I hear your faint silvery warblings. Henry, you wouldn't want it this way. I drink from rivers that poison me, just to quench my thirst. Henry, ethereal spiral. I love the hermit thrush too.